Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and the recommended tools. First, 2 spacers, 1 rubber bumper, and a 6mm diameter Allen bolt. Also, spring bracket and 2 pull springs. We'll be using a ratchet extension, T45 TORX socket, or you can use a key, as well as a 4mm Allen socket or a key. Next, you can mount the rubber bumper. We suggest that you apply some blue medium strength Loctite on the bolt. You can also apply the TORX spec. Here, apply some mechanical grease on those spacers before inserting. Put the OEM bolt back in, but before you do so, please apply some medium strength blue Loctite. And then just hand thread the bolt back, or you can use a T45 TORX with the extension for easier application. On the right side, put the spring bracket in place. It's going to go on the far side. Put the bolt back in, as well as apply some blue Loctite. And then tighten it a little bit, not much. Spring. Slide the small diameter spring inside the large diameter spring. I suggest that you wear safety goggles for this operation. Okay, let's go hook it in. 1, so the smaller diameter springs engaged right there, and now he's going to do the second one, the thicker one, the larger diameter one. Okay, I think we're good. We're looking good. Just gonna pull that little device out, and that is it. Both are engaged. Both are actually sitting right in the little groove. I'm gonna push it down a bit, like so. So the installation has been completed. After a test ride, please double check the bolts and make sure they are properly tightened. Also double check the spring and both springs and make sure that they are still properly hooked in. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, info@outbackmotortek.com, or call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you.